that I have chosen from Charles Dickens' David Copperfield, and that is to ascertain. And to ascertain is an advanced vocabulary word. It means to find out or to discover, to try to find the answer to a question. Let's see, where's my exercise? If I say they fixed the problem, but they never discovered the cause. They fixed the problem, but they never discovered the cause. How would you use ascertain here? Can you change it? They fixed the problem, but they never ascertained the cause. They fixed the problem, but they never ascertained the cause. Because ascertain means discover, find out, find the answer to a question. Let's take this sentence, they never ascertained the cause, and make it passive voice. How would you make that passive voice? They never ascertained the cause. The cause was never ascertained. The cause was never ascertained. The cause was never discovered. Let's make a why not question with that sentence. Why not? Why wasn't? Why wasn't the cause? Why wasn't the cause ascertained? Why wasn't the cause ascertained? Here's the reason. Because the problem was hidden. Because the problem was hidden. The cause was never ascertained. The cause was never ascertained because the problem was hidden. The cause was never ascertained because the problem was hidden. Here's another sentence. The sales manager needed to find out the reason for the slump in sales. Slump is if you're looking at a graph and it goes down suddenly, that's a slump. So a slump in sales is a very slow period in sales. The sales manager needed to find out the reason for the slump in sales. Where would you put ascertain? How could we, what could we use to substitute ascertain in this sentence? The sales manager needed to ascertain the reason for the slump in sales. The sales manager needed to ascertain the reason for the slump in sales. Let's make this passive voice. The slump in sales needed. The slump in sales needed to be. The slump in sales needed to be ascertained. The slump in sales needed to be ascertained. How would you make a when question with that sentence? When? When did the slump? When did the slump in sales? When did the slump in sales need to be? When did the slump in sales need to be ascertained? It's very fancy English. When did the slump in sales need to be ascertained? And here is the answer. Before the next quarter. Before the next quarter. The slump in sales needed. The slump in sales needed to be. The slump in sales needed to be ascertained before the next quarter. Okay, great. All right, let's move on.